Hello, moon. Hello, moon. You've been shining bright in the night sky, casting your gentle glow on the world. Can you help the moon find a cozy spot and wish it a peaceful night? Good night. Hello, star. Hello, star. You've been twinkling in the heavens, spreading your light throughout the cosmos. Can you say goodnight to the star and wish it a serene slumber? Hello, cloud. Hello, cloud. You've been drifting through the sky, painting pictures with your fluffy form. Can you help the cloud find a soft bed and say, good night, cloud? Hello, breeze. Hello, breeze. You've been dancing through the air, whispering secrets to the trees. Can you tuck the breeze in and wish it a restful night? Good night, breeze. Hello, mountain. Hello, mountain. You've been standing tall and strong, guarding the earth with your majestic presence. Can you help the mountain settle down and say, good night, mountain? Hello, river. Hello, river. You've been flowing gracefully, nourishing the land with your meandering waters. Can you tuck the river in and wish it sweet dreams? Hello, forest. Hello, forest. You've been a home to many creatures with your lush green canopy. Can you say goodnight to the forest and wish it a tranquil night? Good night, forest. Hello, sun. Hello, sun. You've been shining brightly all day, warming the world with your golden rays. Can you help the sun find a cozy spot and say good night? Thank you, good night. All the elements are settling down in the quiet embrace of the night. Now, it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about the beauty of the world today. Good night, dear one. Good night, universe.